So this is the auxiliary air valve, and then this is the step up for the AC motor, AC compressor. And it was mounted over here, but I combined them and I made a little bracket, and it bolts right here now. So it's a little bit more out of the way because I thought it was ugly. So before we put that on, we're going to put on some coolant hoses because it's time for that now. So first I need my clamps. Is there safety wire in here? I don't remember. I don't know. I don't have a clue where that goes. This goes up here, and then this is going to run around to my wideband like that. This is going to go here. This is going to go here. This all gets zip tied to that. I think I did, maybe. Yeah. Oh. This is going to plug into this, but I want it to go under this, like this, and like that. Yes. Okay. And then this gets a ground. And then there's a green hot lead. It goes like that. This black one plugs into this. And then we'll plug this one in after we get the other tubes on. This goes to vacuum. This goes to the intake. These go into our rubber boot. We can do coolant tank or... No, let's do wideband first. So I want this to come like that. And then I'm actually going to take this. I'm going to kind of loop it around a little bit. And we'll just plug it in. And we'll just plug it in till it clicks. Yeah, that's good. So that's got a little flop to it. That's got a little flop to it. Everything back here is hooked up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little excited. This is gonna go down, perfect. Yes. Okay. I think coolant tank. So I don't remember where I ran that, but I'll figure that out in a minute. And this thing just bolts like this. And there's a nut here, not a nut, there's a screw, stud, bolt, whatever you want to call it. And then there's two more down the bottom. And they are an absolute pain in the butt to get to. You gotta do it from under the car. Transmission's in the way. Everything's in the way. Let me get set up. I got a stupid idea. If I space this out a couple millimeters, it'll be fine. I got an idea. Let me show you. I thought about putting some rivet nuts in here, but they're not gonna work. So I'm gonna take this, I'll put it through there. I'm gonna take this, put it on there. Take this. Then I'm going to take this, take that, put it like that. And I'll take these two, and I can probably get those from the bottom. So one side was fine, the other side started loosening up on me. Okay, good. Now this hose goes down. Okay, coolant tank. So now we need to hook up coolant hose here. That gets a zip tie. Actually, yeah. I actually want to like this and give it a zip tie. So this thing is 3/8 down here, but it's 5/8 up here. Gonna try to do it without getting a kink in it. I think that'll work. I think it'll work. Okay. So let's see if we can get this over this. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. All the way on, baby. we have to worry about is our air cleaner. Okay. When it heats up, it'll probably bend over a little bit more. Okay. So we have coolant done, ignition done. We need to do fuel. What is this? 23.5. I don't have another one of those.